Good morning, class. Welcome again in BPSC Learning. I am your English teacher Madhulika Devati. Class, as we have completed half portion of the chapter number 8, A Flash of Light. Now we have to start explanation of the rest part, reading and explanation of the rest part of the chapter. As you know, this is the story of a young man and a blind and the development or the invention of brain alphabet. So I will discuss in detail, class. Listen it very carefully. And this is the last part of the explanation of this chapter. Then after this, from tomorrow we will start doing word meaning, hard word, and question answer of the chapter. After completing the explanation, what you have to do, class, you have to find out 10 difficult words from the chapter, and you have to write it in your copy and show me it. Okay.
Yes, Braille is a special alphabet used by blind. The alphabet is marked by raised dot on the stripped paper which blind person can understand by the touch of their finger. Louis Braille himself was blind on and worked in a blind school in Paris. The system that he developed in 1834 was not used much until about the time of Braille's death in 80 1852, means before the death of Braille, his machine or his style or equipment was not much used in the world. It was popularized after that of Braille. Each letter in the Braille alphabet consists of one or more raised dots. In this diagram below, the small dots represent unraised mark and the large dots represent raised mark. Braille, English, HELLO. Hello means 3 raised dot and 3 unraised dot. E, 2 raised dot and 4 unraised dot. L, 3 raised and 3 unraised. Same, 3 raised and 3 unraised. And O, 3 raised and 3 unraised. But their pattern are different. From the diagram above, you can see that letter H consists of 3 raised dots and the letter L consists of 3 dots too. But the dots for the S are in different pattern to those make LF different pattern. Means minimum there must be 2 raised dot and the number of dot may be same but pattern must be different in Braille alphabet. And with the help of these raised dots, the blind people can distinguish, can identify the words and able to write and read. There are 6 possible positions for each dot. By placing the dot in various positions, 63 different dot or shape can be made. Means with the help of these 6 possible positions, we can make 33 different pattern or shape of braille. This means that there are pattern for each of 26 alphabet. In addition of these 26 alphabet, there are patterns for a special work of words that are used a lot in everyday language. Mean 26 there is alphabet for 26 English alphabet, and again some alphabet means most common English word that are used in English language. Some of common words such as and, it, if, for, the, and many other frequently used words have on braille symbols each. Means 26 alphabets are there, and after this there are some common, popular, most used everyday word a of English language is also there in braille alphabet. For example, the word occurred very frequently in English, the word and. To make it easier to braille, in read braille, it is written like this: and 5 dot and 1 normal dot. Otherwise, each letter would have to be written like this: raised dot, unraised, raised, unraised, raised and unraised. Books in braille books in braille have to be quite thick. This is because raised marks are punched out in row across each page. The raised mark have to be big enough to be felt by the fingertip. Means with the help this you can identify, you can find out the words. So the paper has to be stiff. Stiff means very hard. Many books are written in braille. Blind people can be taught how to read braille, and in this way they too can read and enjoy the works of the great authors. There are also machines that help blind people to write in braille. These are some examples of these are alphabets of braille alphabets, braille letter 1 A to Z. Class, now we have completed the chapter. From tomorrow we will start doing word meaning exercise and question answer of the chapter. Watch the video very carefully and then write 10 hard words of your own from the chapter.